Today we will see how to create quotation in Dream CRM from opportunity module. Let's have a look. This is the opportunity Dream CRM. We have to send the proposal. It is planned for today, the date. The product he has been interested in Astrigadon Dream CRM 2 product. So now we will create a quotation. Click on action, click on create codes, title, opportunity auto related. Here is the different kind of stages: negotiation, on hold, confirm, close loss, dead. So now it will kept on negotiation. You can see the quotation date is already here at today date. It's a validation period, like it is valid for 7 days. You can check validity date has been changed. It's a approval status, like what stage it is in on approval, like pending or something like that. Here is a terms and condition. We can select any of them. Now, to whom we are going to send this quotation, or we are preparing this quotation for whom? So I have to type a name. Name has been selected. If you have different shipping accounts, shipping contacts, you can select that one, or you can select the same if it is. You just type Dreamer Technology, the contact Amit, and other address like copy address from left. You just click on this icon, so the same address will update. So now just go to the line item. You can see the both product is already available. You just have to click here to select tax, the type of tax, GST, IGST. Just click on any of them. The same way for the second product, select the GST type. So you can see the entire information has been filled up. If you have any description, you can put. We can also change the price here. We can also provide a discount percentage or in amounts. So whatever, if you want to provide discount, we can select. So after filling all the information, you can see the entire information has been filled up. I just have to save this quotation. The quotation has been created. You can see. Now just click on action to see how it looks like. We will create on print as PDF. These are different type of quotation template format. I just select the one, just save this. Let me open and show you. You can see the quotation has been created fantastically with all the information. The template is customizable. Now we'll see the another way how we can send this quotation. We can also Send quotation through email quotation. Just click on email quotation. Same way, select the templates. Now you can see the entire quotation has been in the mail body. You just have to click on send. You can see the email has been sent. So we have seen how to create quotation. If there is a revision for this quotation, or the client asks you for revise, so it's that easy. You can just click on duplicate. Don't forget to click on check mark on revised. You just select the revise. If you have any change like quantity, you have to select two. You just select two. Add on, you just select two. If you have any certain discount, you just put 10%. Put just 10%. So you can see the discount has been deducted successfully and entire quotation has been updated. I'll just have to save this. So the another quotation has been created. You can also able to see the revised quotation, a number of time the quotation has been revised with all the dates. So this is how it is easy to create quotation in Dream CRM. Thank you so much.